things like this. This is gonna make me fucking drown.
One size fits all.
I don't know. Make me drown. Are we doing this? What? Oh, you called him out! Oh, way to go, Doug, fucker. Going down, bro. I gotta take this vest off. It's too tight. Why don't we go on that one? We're going 360, bro.
Oh, it smells like diesel. Woo!
Told you it was diesel, didn't I? I'm on a boat. What the fuck is up? So good. So good. It's so good. I wonder if I can bring the boat in here. Hey, that's the middle finger. Look. You see it?
Look at the night, and it don't seem so long.
I can't go fast enough. Why are we trolling? Fuck off, we're trolling here.
You gotta warm the
We're
turbo.
from a fishing rod.
You gotta warm the turbo.
Hey, Adam, Avery, can you guys close your legs right for a minute? My old man balls are fucking sitting on them. I'm dying. I got pissed so bad. You're gonna, aren't you? Straight up. Make me sit in that. I'm gonna.
Each engine pumps out 500 horsepower per engine, giving us 1,500 horsepower up this river today. Now let me talk to you guys just a little bit about how our boat operates and a little bit about what our boat is designed to do. So obviously our boat is designed to get each and every one of you absolutely soaking wet from head to toe. So in the rapids today at my command, Captain Hudson's going to dip the nose of his boat down into the water, okay? He's then going to scoop up the water from the water, okay? And then what's going to happen is all of that water that is on the front is going to go into that windshield there. Now, the windshield is not designed to keep you protected by any means, any way, shape, or form. That windshield is now designed to throw all of that water over top of everybody's head. So just in front of us here, well over 300 feet in the air, sits the Kingston Lewiston Bridge. This bridge serves as the main transport between the USA and Canada for cars and trucks. Now you're also going to notice around us that our elevation has taken a sudden change. Now the reason why the elevation around us is so high is because many years ago, Niagara Falls used to sit in this exact spot until it receded to where it sits today. Niagara Falls moved back approximately 1.5 years. I'd like to introduce you guys to Stratobox number 1 here on our right-hand side. Stratobox number 1 was built in 1922, making it 100 years old this year. Stratobox number 1 was Canada's first renewable energy project, which means they were able to conduct electricity without the burning or need of fossil fuels. Now the Canadians realized the success of Stratobox number 1. They of course built Stratobox number 2 here on the right-hand side in the 1960s. Now Stratobox number 1 and 2 can cover the southern Ontario on their own. On the American style that we were doing in the 60s, they got a little bit jealous. So what did they do? They took our idea, they took their side, they got a couple of rubber hoses here on our left-hand side.
Fuck yeah, get the finger!
we go for our second full run.
I don't want to get wet no more.
The Devil's Hole.
I think we should. Back it up, bud. Gotta hold it. Gotta line up and get right in the hole. That's where you go.
All right, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. Expect some water here. Alrighty guys, thumbs up, let me know we are all still good and having fun. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to head on up to our whirlpool, as well as check out some Class 6 rapids as well. Here, I think it's about time for another Hamilton turn. So I might get you guys to put your fingers up in the air. Give them a and here we go. We're going to go rally and together and all the way around. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Niagra Whirlpool.
Don't go up there. We're going up there. We don't go up there. We're going up there. Oh, I know. I gave him a 50. He said he'd take us up there.
And just above us here to our left is the Whirlpool arrow car that goes from one side of the Whirlpool to the other. We're going to give them all a nice big wave. See if they can see us. See if we get a wave back. Yeah, there we go. Not the bird, sir, not the bird.
Canadian!
The only bird flying in here is the seagulls, right? All right.
Going home now.
Tour's over. Thanks, Doug. Thanks, Doug.
All right, guys, we're coming up to the left-hand side of our boat. Just keep your arms and elbows in. And if I can just get you guys sitting in front of me, can you guys just stand up for me, please?
Yeah, you gotta get out.
You gotta help. Yeah. Stand up. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I'm using a shoulder for support. I just gotta grab the camera.
Adrian would have gave it to you. Oh, yeah, you got it. Well, the ride's over. You're out.
All right, guys, you are good to sit back down. All right, is everybody having fun so far? Yeah. Are you guys ready to do these class 6s?
No!
So if you guys reach underneath your seats in a white casing, pull the seats out. You're trying to pull the seats out from the white casing.
You and them.
The seats. I'm just kidding.
Adam's gonna be a wraparound.
No seatbelt aboard our boat. It's actually illegal to do these, so unless you guys want to pay Hudson and I's bailout today, which maybe if we can find funds, with combined funds, we can do it. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, man.
We will not be doing these. They are very pretty to look at. So the water's coming down here at about 50 kilometers an hour right now. Pretty fast for moving water. When it comes out here, this is the first wide area it hits after Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is about 6 kilometers upstream from us here. Now, if you guys look to the left and to the right, you're going to notice that the water looks like it's bubbling or boiling. And these are actually really severe undertows that are known to hold adult-sized trees underneath the water for days, weeks, and even months at a time.
That's why you never find the body.
So when the water hits the whirlpool here, it starts to create that counterclockwise motion and how the whirlpool gets its name. How deep is it? At about in the middle, it's about 250 feet deep.
That's a purposely for you to laugh. Oh, can I say that out loud? You gotta go be careful. My bad. That's fine, you're up there.
Reversing into it, that's all. Yeah. Reversing into it. I guess it doesn't count if we reverse into it.
Right? Like it never happened. Rewind it.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Don't do it!
Alright, we're gonna head on back to Double Pole. How does that sound? Good? Yeah! Like physics says, we go up, we must come down, so we've already gone up, so we might as well go back down again.
That's not the only thing they say about that.
Alright, now, as we exit the whirlpool here, maintain those whitewater safety positions. We might get hit with a rogue wave. Oh, here it comes.